but it wouldn't be nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl. You see?
Welcome back to CVM at Sunrise. No, comedy is more than just a pleasant way to pass an evening. It's more than about humor, and it certainly is more about things that amuse you or make you laugh. It's interwoven in the fabric of everyday existence, whether they are sharing an amusing story down the pub, making a self-depreciating or deprecating remark, or sometimes ripping politicians to shreds.
Yeah, man.
Apart.
Yeah, man.
Yes. I'm a comedian right here that loves to do that.
There are 3 comedians in this segment and 1 victim. I kid you not. This is the segment called Man's Talk, and we have Leighton Smith.
Doctor.
Doctor, we have Dr. Leighton Smith.
Thank you.
Is it Professor? Christopher?
Professor Lamont, take anything.
It's just Christopher. It's just Christopher.
Just Christopher.
No, man,
Put
take a money.
J-U-S-T before.
Put some title.
Okay, so the title that Christopher Larmond has this morning is JUST, and I'm directed to do that by Dr. Leighton Smith.
Yes.
Welcome, gentlemen. And Johnny, being the in-house guru that understands this industry.
All right.
Over to you, sir.
You don't laugh? You don't laugh?
No,
I hear you laughing plenty this morning.
Of course.
If you laugh,
Hold
what's
on
your
a
laugh?
second. Why didn't you say to the viewers that you also heard some of the best jokes you've ever heard this morning from me?
That would be a fabrication. What Trump would call fake news, and I don't do fake news.
So we have somebody here that's a fake news too. The Minister of Security. He's into fake news.
Yeah, yeah.
Look here, you're not getting me in a lot of trouble. This morning, of course, we have Leighton Smith and Christopher Larmond. Welcome to my set this morning. See them at Sunrise. I've taken over. The surprise, it's going to be our audience member this morning. What going, Leighton?
I'm good, man.
I see you come out for them this morning.
Why not? A Christmas.
Look here, camera, make sure you catch everything right here. So, you know, the shirt match the shoes. You know. You have to know what's going on right now.
Yes.
And you notice them wear the power color of grey, which I'm reading is one of those power colors, you know. You understand me? I say stately. Yeah, man. And Chris Larmond, I see you go for the black.
Yeah.
Yes.
But me look thin, you
Thought
know.
it was Friday. He thought it was Friday.
Now, I do look like tubeless, you know. My bridging tubeless, you know.
All right.
See? Look sexy and potent, you know. The ladies and
Let's
Yes,
introduce.
why are we here,
Yeah,
please?
let me guess.
Let me go to that.
Raymond, into our world. Stand-up comedy is growing alive and well in Jamaica. Tell us about your experience in stand-up comedy and how you feel about where it's at right now in Jamaica.
No, we're right now.
Yes.
We're on TV right now. But in the future, and looking back, when we just started out, people used to make the mistake with stand-up comedy and plays.
Yes.
Some people say, no, so I'm not going to watch no play when they hear of a stand-up comedy show.
Yes.
But now it has grown.
Right.
And persons are leaning to stand-up comedy rather than the plays. Play have to go hard for advertise, you know. Stand-up comedy is just easy now because we are out here giving jokes that people can come and identify with. And
So
it has
stand-up
grown.
comedy isn't
You
easy.
ask me a question,
No,
sir.
no, no.
Let me answer the question,
All right,
please.
sir. But
You ask me a
here,
question. You know me, I wait for you.
Let me correct some statement.
As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by Mr. Daly. People now, it has grown in such a way that while they're on stage, you will have audience member crying out for a particular joke that they know you.
Me not help you, know. Try find a word.
You have established that joke, and they want you to press that all the time.
Yes.
And I've seen that as a growth.
You see that as a growth?
Yes.
All right.
When people appreciate what you have done, and they keep it. So when we are going on stage now, and I think in about 5 years from now, we don't have to go on stage and say anything. The audience will just tell you, and you just start. Just like the DJs, DJs will just start the song.
So your material no plan to change for 5 years straight.
Of course it can. For the other countries. We have 2 major political parties for over how many years? So why must I change?
Why must you change your material? Chris, tell me about because Christopher Larmond is, Raymond, I'd consider to be a fresh face in the industry, even though he's been here for quite some time. But I think he has really found his niche
Yeah.
I think you found yourself as a comedian,
Hunger
found your
kill me
voice,
out the
as
road.
we'd say. Go ahead, say.
Hunger kill me out the road and everybody say me I eat that. So me say, why not make some food off of
Idiot.
right.
idiot?
That's right, that's right.
But you see the YouTube channel thing, me know I couldn't work with that because if you have the camera and they attack every minute, that's not my thing. But to be in front of person and you feel the energy of the audience and people and like deliver a joke and you see people laugh and people come to you and say, listen, that joke, I can relate to that joke, or I've been through a situation like that, or you were very hilarious because I don't try to go funny. I try to go very
hilarious.
Yeah.
So where do you, how do you get your material? How do you create your material?
Well, I have two materials at home right now, you know.
Yeah.
One being my son and one being my wife.
We are telling you.
A whole heap of material.
The son doesn't mind, but you're sure
Yeah.
Mrs.
She
Lamont.
not because the other day when we went down to St. Elizabeth and I got paid, she have the check.
Yeah. Oh.
So she not go mad.
They're a very smart lady, so she collect the money.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why she came to the show.
That's why she came to the show because she
Oh,
want
so
me.
the other shows that I see you perform, it was charity.
No, hold on. Oh, that's your talk.
But from never see her.
But Raymond, if you're curious about the comedy scene, because if you live down 2 years alone, Jamaicans won't get an idea of what's going on. So we've been creating what we call more spaces.
Yeah,
And the more
definitely.
spaces you create, then that's more work that you get.
More contact
More
points, so,
contact points. And pretty much that's beautiful for a comedian. It means that we can rehearse new material.
Right.
It means that we can keep developing up an audience. People can new people will be coming all the time.
And you can
we're getting paid. We can at least get some money so we can pay some bills.
Yes, every Tuesday.
And you can get boo and
Can get boo.
you know,
Yes, so like,
Valentine's
yeah,
coming
like
up. So I
nice
don't know
hot
if you get
girls,
boo.
that boo. Nice
And you
hot girls,
come back
that
with the
boo.
material and mix it up again.
Yeah.
Which boo you talking? The hot girls or the boo
Valentine's
from the
come.
audience?
How do you feel when you are booed, actually?
That's actually a good
Oh,
smell.
all right, ask me.
How do you feel when you are booed?
I lift my hands in the studio of CVM.
Yes.
I have never, in all my years of performing, never ever yet that ever happened.
Never heard boo?
Because you see, one thing with me, you know, I make sure warn the audience
Yes.
that I've never left my house to perform and don't strap.
Yes. Yes.
So if anybody in there take them back, you boo me,
Shy boo.
you talk to me after, you step outside. Step outside and see what happens.
You see, we've had to become good enough because I come from an era of...
I never see that one coming.
You never see that one? Yeah, man, that's Leighton Smith for you, man.
That's Leighton Smith.
Leighton Smith. How excited are you about being on what I consider to be one of the biggest comedy shows and bona fide comedy shows for the year? It's happening, of course, weekend coming in Montego Bay, Pier 1, December 17.
Ow.
Leighton, you know that on the show?
No, me yes, me I just others. That's the part
Let
when me
him
get.
speak.
There's many more.
At least your segment
No,
is
I-
reflected on the flyer.
Boy, me here say boy, me for reach early, you know, because I'm here open.
Oh,
Me are the just others.
you're the just others.
I won't be there when you're open. I'm coming in late.
But I want to tell people just forward early, so I just see the others. Because I'm more than one of me.
Yeah, but now, how are you feeling? Montego Bay needs some comedy right now.
Need more than comedy, you know. But we'll stick to what we are going there to do.
Yes.
And this is something, I tell you, laugh is like therapy, you know. It heals things that you are going through. Your light bill due and you can't find the money.
Laugh
Just
it
come
out.
to the show. And if I even for the 3 hours at the show, you don't remember that.
That's true.
And you will
But
have
pray that
like-
the show not done, you know.
I
If
like
the show
the cut off during the show.
If the show finish,
You
you
like to
not
remind you right away, so you like bill up here.
No,
me?
but you have a company
No,
named
it's
A1 Equipment Rental.
But let me answer the question.
Make sure you
let
start
me
them
go
now.
to the question. What was the question you posed?
You remember?
Pose it again. Pose the question again.
Raymond, you see this? This is what I go through every week. Where I'm trying to stay focused.
Yeah.
Yes, so I am very excited. I get back to the question. I'm very excited about going down to Montego Bay. But you see, there's something about traveling to another parish or another country to do a performance.
Yeah. Without a visa.
You driving there, you reflect on so many things. Look at what I'm doing. I'm going into a strange area to bring entertainment to some people I don't know.
Yes.
And you just can't wait to go there and deliver.
And that is an amazing gift. The fact that you
is.
can go somewhere unknown and leave one of the most popular people. I remember when I went to Malaysia. No, nobody don't know me over there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I don't
We were
exist.
praying for
I don't-
you, you know.
I don't
Yeah,
exist.
we were
No,
praying
the prayers came true.
Yes, I know. I know, but I'm bounced back.
The minute you touch a stage
Yeah.
and you make 800 people that you don't know laugh, and you hear that swell of laughter come back, you've just connected with 800 people.
Is it true what they said that all you really have to do is connect with one person very early,
Right.
and that breaks the
energy.
Let me
The
tell you
energy,
which
yeah.
person.
You just find the most
Let me tell
relaxing
you.
face.
Yeah.
But later, go on later.
Let me tell you, that person. It is always recommended that when you go to a show, you look for the most vulgar person and try to establish a relationship with that person. And when you are called on stage, that person, my friend that you know,
Yeah.
you mash up the crowd
It
for the
don't
entire
happen,
night.
yeah.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
But
Won't
if
be
you make that
rejected.
vulgar person against you,
Problem.
that's it.
You have to have a witty
You can
comeback
pack your bags.
and go.
That is also
finish
a
it.
prescription for politics.
Okay, so the politics, yes.
why everything
Ladies
involves
and
politics,
gentlemen,
Why everything you
Hold
involve.
on a second. You involve
What you gonna do? When you take a vote?
you involve what you know in
Yes.
your life
Oh, you
based
know
on your
politics.
experiences. I've had some experience.
Oh, yeah.
Let me ask you.
Yes.
Why is it that your party,
Your party.
Which is on the 28th of May, my birthday party. My birthday party is on the 28th
that's a
of May
good
next
plug.
year.
That's a good plug. But let us come back to your party,
Yeah.
the bigger party.
Oh, the Christmas session.
Well, whether Christmas or New Year's. But I want to ask you this question, and you answer for me.
Wait, hold on. Are they telling me it's a break?
I'm so happy.
Is it time for a
I
break?
don't know why these headsets still.
I'm so happy I get to ask you this question. After the general election, you guys put together that you form a committee to look into the matter to see why you lost the election. But I'm telling you, that was simple. You didn't get enough vote. You didn't need a committee to figure that out.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Could I ask you?
Is that? Then just never get enough vote.
No, that's
That is it.
You never get
The
it.
maths never add up.
That's
More
right.
ask the next question.
Not to Rayma. You have to Rayma?
No. Do tomorrow. Because for man, I see tomorrow looking at some like when I look on black box. I'm not the paper in front of you. Can't just have paper.
It don't look good though.
No,
with
no
the
look
pan.
good. It no look good.
Sir, it
Why
don't
think
look good.
there, you know?
But just I say, come on now, man.
Why think there?
It's a modern.
Why did you think it necessary
No, I know.
to share with the viewers the fact that we were not freestyling from morning?
And we know on our brain we are
Someone DJ now.
It's
yeah,
comedy.
Somebody have to take care of
They don't believe everything that he
They
says.
don't believe everything that he
Right.
says.
But let me say this though,
Yes.
that there are a lot of persons in Jamaica
Yeah.
who claim that they are comedians because they might go on the corner and share a few jokes and people laugh and they tell them, well, you're good man, you're a comedian.
jokers.
Not so.
Yes.
No, if they want
It's
to prove
bigger
it,
than that.
If
It's
they
bigger
want to
than
prove it, come to 100 on a Tuesday night, and them have a thing named open mic segment. You just come at 100, Johnny Comedy Bar live, and you just, if you feel say you're bad like that,
Yeah. Tell
you have
every
a
joke every
audience.
come because if them are
You have an
comedian.
audience up there. Then we deal with you properly.
What time? What time Tuesday?
Oh, every Tuesday we're there at 8 p.m. Make sure you come early, doing it because the
One
one.
just
The
others.
open mic segment.
No. Let me move up on the rank.
Oh, yeah.
me
The
up-
level's gone up there, so-
yeah, up there, so. But make sure you come early though, because even though I perform there some nights, one night when I was booked to be there on time and perform, I came there thinking, yeah, me a star now. Security still never know me, because that still just others up there.
Just like that.
So I feel drive around the building like the wall of Jericho.
Mind me eye.
Just to remind you that, of course, 19th is when we take a break at 100 and we start back fresh in January 2018.
Fresh, new clothes.
And we are also bringing regular weekly stand-up comedy to Montego Bay, so look out for that early 2018.
What I want to
Manchester,
interject.
don't forget. Manchester.
Yes,
We're in
listen,
Manchester.
listen. No,
So we're going to
Manchester.
start
Wait
off
till
with
I
Spartans.
interject my thing and then you come with the whole
Plug in your
Manchester
thing.
thing.
Plug in your thing.
I would recommend to the Ministry of Education to try to come, sit with us as comedian.
Yes.
And to see, because I teach at 2 schools and I see what comedy can do. It's easier to do stand-up comedy than to do a play. Now you have a big script for the play to study so many lines. Comedy, you just need a proper routine and you flush it out. And you want kids to go up there and be creative, sit down, color the voice and all of that. Because some of these children in some areas, when they're in an argument, you know, and they color some words,
All
and
that,
they're going to
Jamaicans are extremely creative.
there
when
goes
it
a
comes to
comedian,
language.
there goes a comedian,
Yeah.
but they don't know. And even some parents in some areas, they will they call their children name. A real comedy. Sharon! So that's real comedy. You want to get those people on stage for them to just bring out their
Express
raw
themselves.
talent
Big up the JCDC. I'm told that they are now injecting stand-up comedy as part of
their series.
Did they
part of their
consult us?
series.
Did they consult us?
They've consulted a very, very, very credible comedian in Jamaica, one that I would always recommend they consult with, which is Blacka Ellis. Big up myself, Blacka
Yeah,
Ellis.
man, big up Blacka.
So Blacka Ellis is helping them
But
to
Black
shape
and
that
stammer,
program.
then hear what I'm saying?
Them- Ladies and gentlemen,
Blacka
Leighton
watches
Smith.
this program.
Blacka watches this
My
program.
brother and friend, that's when he called me, so I answered the phone.
Right.
My brother and friend, how are you? Call me now.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
on ear.
You can see Leighton Smith live December 17th. That's this Sunday
This
in
Sunday.
Montego Bay. We're also taking in from Canada a Belgian named Mark Trinidad. Extremely hilarious.
From Mark what?
Canada?
He's from Canada.
Trinidad?
He's actually from Trinidad, but he now lives in Canada.
But,
so,
Mr. Price, we shouldn't have a problem with that. They will not have Barbados in New Kingston
yes. So we have St. Lucia too.
Yeah.
and St. Lucia, so we shouldn't have a problem with somebody.
Everybody they done there.
But I want to say though, how could we must just give God thanks because Zoso has been down in Montego Bay for so long and they cannot find the guns. And the Lord fall the rain 3 hours and wash out God. We praise the Lord here.
Yeah, but let me rain follow you down there.
It's either that the team that transmits the time signals are dying with laughter now, or
Them no
the
say-
battery has gone,
Oh,
or
you know,
they
you
say-
know.
but it's
Make we go and talk, gentlemen.
No,
Make we go and reason.
Zoso is now in where the
It's
place in
a
town?
time- time for-
What
yes,
has
time.
Zoso come up with?
The rain will be
Now,
coming soon.
somebody call me and tell me, where's the Prime Minister? I'm Mr.
time
Prime
for a
Minister.
break. More
I
see them
want
at
to
sunrise
say
when
to
we
you,
come back. Please stay with us for
Yes, we're
the
gonna
rest of
come
the
back.
show. We have
Well,
Litos when we come back.
We're going to come back. We're coming back.
Listen to this word, but it wouldn't be nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl. You see, mad men.
Firstly, you, the viewers who've joined us this morning, we appreciate it. And you're the reason why we do what we do. Thanks as well to the guests. We had some very young people on the...
Except for Leighton Smith.
No, we had all...
What you said?
Except for Leighton Smith, isn't that job?
All right, you know,
What?
it look as if, you remember what he said that he does to tell people don't boo him.
Yes.
I remember that. That sticks out for me. I will take that
Well,
memory.
no.
So I want to make sure
Don't be
that
too
I
fearful.
make references to him in an appropriate manner that will ensure my safety.
Don't worry about him, man.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about him.
Why?
Be a mouth talk.
Really?
Just look for Leighton. You can't hurt the hands. I'm sorry you can't share this. This is so good. There's only one glass with the rimmed sugar on it.
All right, so back to speaking properly about how we reference Leighton and Chris Larmont for having come on this morning.
Oh, you're actually going back to the comedians? Okay. And since they are still here, let's show some semblance of respect to them. No, we don't want you on.
Yes. Mr. Price is the boss.
No, we don't. We don't want.
What is it? We just take up?
Hide the food. Hide the food.
You guys eat pork?
Hide the food. You guys
Yeah. You want to? You want to?
For the evening.
No, only in the country.
Country port?
All right.
Country
so-
pork.
Country port.
Yeah.
As I was saying, to all of the young people, we have a Prime Minister Youth Awardee on set. There will be another one tomorrow. We had 2 of the youth parliamentarians.
almost win one.
Is it possible for me to ask you
You know
a
me,
question?
almost
How
win.
did you get qualified to get that award? Did you leave your door and your windows open?
No, you know, we're nominated.
He was a youth. He was a youth. You know what? Listen. I was almost. I
He
was
doesn't have a door at his restaurant. so
Raymond,
he's
I'm trying to
always
give you
welcome.
information.
Go ahead.
I'm saying I was almost.
Nearly can't kill birds,
Nearly
Sonny.
a prime minister.
Nearly cannot kill.
I'm just telling you,
You
know
are
what?
nearly a
You know
prime
what?
minister.
Youth awardee.
You are nearly a prime minister.
Almost.
Anybody can be president.
Years
Missed
ago.
it by a year.
Years ago, Johnny.
So you know what they do? They asked me to MC the show.
Yeah, but you were still on it. You were still on it.
I was on it.
You was on it.
Chilitos is a place to be during Christmas. The show this Sunday at, you see I'm now doing your...
Pier 1, Montego Bay.
Montego Bay.
What time?
Roll out.
What
Come
time?
by 6:30.
Come by 6:30 so that you can see just others perform.
Yes, and also all the soldiers and police, one man in the Zoso will be coming down to be a part of it. So
If
please
you
come on down.
say
Come on
Zoso
down.
one more
So
time.
it's very secure. Very secure.
Zoso is very close to zero, you know. So you count it.
Merry Christmas, Merry